none that I have heard of, pero an LGU very close to Davao City, they have an incident of radicalization, ang tawag kasi nila nun. And these were done by foreign-looking individuals na in-accommodate ng imam sa mosque and doon nag-lecture sa mosque. Pero sa Davao,
Ma'am, siguro syempre the spotlight is on Davao City because the President is here. Yun nga, a few months ago, ma'am, na-target din tayo nitong mga ng act of terrorism. Parang how are we coping overall with these added pressures, ma'am? We are under martial law.
We take it day by day. We also follow and listen in the policy direction of the Office of the President. But overall, Davao City is not a stranger to these kinds of things. So, mga taga Davao and yung mga PNP and AFP units operating in Davao City, medyo alam na kung anong kailangan gawin ng mga ganito ng mga sitwasyon. Except that, ang bago lang ngayon, merong martial law.